So most welcome this Python scope channel. Write a program, input any number and check number is divisible by 5 or 7. So start. Num is equal to int, which means integer. Input, enter the number, enter the number. And now next line, if num modulus to 5 double is equal to 0 or num modulus to 7 double is equal to 0 and colon. Yes, okay. Print print num is divisible divisible 5 divisible 5 or 7. So now next line, watch this Python scope. You have new for this Python scope channel, press the subscribe and press the bell icon button, hit the like button and share this Python scope channel. You get more notification this Python scope channel. And watching Python scope channel for new, subscribe the button and press the bell icon. And now else, and print not divisible by not divisible by 5 or 7. 5 or 7. Only 1 2 3 4 5 lines. This code Python programming language is very easy to learn for beginners and beginners for students. So this Python scope channel daily posted one programming languages. So you have new for this channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification for this basic to high level programming language. Now we are watching Python scope channel and output, enter the number, codify. Number is divisible by 5 or 7. Yes, 5 or 7. Only 5, not 7. Okay. And 49. Number is divisible by 5 or 7. So this is Python scope channel. Python is very interpreted, high level dynamic type language and platform independent language. Thanks for watching.